Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, today my wife wanted me to put in a phone holder here, so we'll have a little review on that. But beside the point, if you're needing to take this piece off of here, the holder grip, I don't know what it's called, something like that. Let me show you how to do that. And first of all, down here, you don't need to do any of that. All you need is a little tiny screwdriver, and down here we're gonna pop our screwdriver in. And actually, you probably don't even need that so much, it just makes life easier to get a hold of it. And this little piece, now you gotta be careful, there's wires behind here for your airbag stuff, which yet again I've actually undid the negative cable on my battery, so I would probably suggest doing that since there is some electrical going through here. But anyway, then we pull that up, and I actually ended up bringing this around. I've actually done this once before I finally figured it out and thought I should do a video on it. So I got that like that, and it kind of gets stuck on there, and if you just kind of pull up and go forward, it pops off of there. And then we can leave that hanging for now. Then the next thing we got is this T30 Torx 30 here, and we're going to pull this off of here. Quite honestly, the mount she bought was for a Jeep, do you know what it was?
TJ.
A Jeep TJ, not a Jeep Liberty, but they look really close to the same, so we're going to try it out. Alright, as you can see, it's a long one. Set that aside, don't lose it. Put that down, and that should pull this forward some, but by the looks of it, we definitely have to modify this quite a bit to be able to use it, but I do see some other way of doing this. So I'm going to pull this side off as well. I got bored. So that will bring off all this. Now watch out for your lines here. Appears, oh, I thought it looked like there was a, okay, I'm going to put this back in for now, maybe, and I am going to actually unclip this from the back here. There's just a little, like your normal things here, parts that you push on and parts that you don't, and then it breaks. There, I'm going to set that down to the side. I'm going to remove that. Alright, so then this comes out. Don't forget how this has to go through the hole here. And I see there are screws here. But that's how you pull one of these off. If you want to see what I'm about to do to hook this phone mount up, come back and look for that video. But right now, this is how you'd get one of these out if for some reason you really scared somebody and they broke it, or maybe you want to customize or take apart your dash to this point. There you go, now you know. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.